How to add a button on text in Mailchimp. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Mailchimp and go to the Campaigns section. Choose an existing campaign or create a new one where you want to add a button inside the text. 2. In the email editor, select the text block where you want to insert the button. Click on Edit to access the text formatting options. 3. Highlight the text that you want to turn into a button. Click the link icon and enter the URL where you want to direct users when they click the button. 4. To style the button-like text, use HTML and inline CSS inside the text block. Add styling properties like background color, padding, and border radius for a button effect. 5. If using the drag and drop builder, consider using the button block instead. Customize the button's text, color, and size directly within the editor for a seamless design. 6. Test the button by sending a preview email to yourself. Ensure the link is working correctly and that the button is visually appealing across different devices. 7. Save the changes and send your campaign. Track the click-through rates to see how well the button performs and optimize its placement for better engagement.